And we're hula-hooping and playing with cats in the kitchen.
Oh my god.
This is perfect.
This is too much right now.
Never did I ever think that I'd be sitting here doing this right now.
I get told I'm about to lose it.
Of course, now you did it.
I'm waiting for it to drop.
I'm waiting for it to drop.
Wait for it.
I love this song.
So you're cracking.
Give me a face fire. Maybe lose it. Sorry.